نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد. My beloved brothers and sisters, we will learn today Surah النصر, translation and explanation. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. When Allah's help comes and the victory. ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. And you see people entering Allah's religion in masses. أفواجا, masses. فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره. Then praise your Lord and ask Him for forgiveness. إنه كان توابا. Surely He is always ready to forgive. توابا, ready to forgive. Explanation. Surah An-Nasr consists of 3 ayat and was the last complete surah of the Quran to be sent down. In fact, it was revealed during the Prophet's farewell pilgrimage in the 10th year of the Hijrah in Mina, about 3 months before the Prophet's death. This surah indicates that the mission of the Prophet ﷺ had been completed. It was a sign of the approaching end of the life of Allah's Messenger ﷺ. Only 2 years before, the holy city of Mecca had been taken over peacefully by an army of 10,000 believers. The Kaaba and the city had been cleansed of idolatry and of all evil practices. About 124,000 believers accompanied the Prophet ﷺ on his farewell pilgrimage. Islam now had spread beyond Mecca and Medina to include all of Arabia. Tribes after tribe come to offer their pledge to the Prophet ﷺ. The mission of the Prophet ﷺ had become victorious. It is reported that from the time this surah was sent down until the Prophet's death, he used to repeat over and over, سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك اللهم اغفر لي. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك اللهم اغفر لي. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك اللهم اغفر لي. Translation. Glory to be you, O Allah, and praise, forgive me, O Allah. Whenever a person is successful in any field of his life, no matter how much he has done or sacrificed, he should always try to remain humble before his Lord and thank Him for His help.